Good morning, students. All of us know about this कि our first unit test is going to be started from 5th of July. In my previous video, I give you an overall view regarding to chapter 3, which is digestive and excretory system. And in our examination, MCQ type of questions comes. So, time to practice some questions so that you don't face any problem whenever you write your examination. Then you don't have any problem with this, okay? So, in this video, we practice some questions which is in the form of MCQs. And the first question is, sunlight plays an important role in dash formation. In what type of nutrients is used there? And your options for this question are vitamin D, water, protein or minerals. So, sunlight plays an important role for what formation? For vitamin D formation. Okay, the answer is vitamin D. So, such type of questions comes in your unit test. 4 options are there and you have to take out the correct option. Okay. The next one is, fats provide more energy than what? Fats as well as carbohydrates are energy giving foods, and fats gives us more energy than your options for question, proteins, vitamins and minerals, carbohydrates and roughage and water. So what is the correct option for this? Carbohydrates. Yes, because of this, carbohydrates and fats both are the energy giving food, and fats provide more energy than carbohydrates. Okay. The next one is, feces are removed from the body through which organ? Feces? What is feces? After the absorption of water in large intestine, the waste material forms and it is transferred into the rectum. So what is the name of that waste material? Feces in our first chapter, which is the food. So what is the answer for this question? And your options are anus, rectum, small intestine or liver. So from where the feces removed from our body? From anus. Okay, the answer is anus. The next one is, which is not the organ of digestive system? In our chapter 3rd, the digestive and excretory system. So both the systems are there. The first one is digestive system, and in which various of organs include, like our starts from our mouth, esophagus, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, liver, pancreas, all of them, है ना? So which organ is not belonging to digestive system? Your options for this question are stomach, liver, ureter or large intestine. So what is the answer for? Ureter. Yes, ureter belongs to the excretory system, not belongs to the digestive system. Okay. The next question is, urine reaches from kidney to urinary bladder through which organ? Your options are urethra, ureter, pancreas or rectum. What is the answer? Urine. Kidney is just extracted the urine from our urea from blood, and it is stored in the urinary bladder. So which organ is play a role to transport the urine from kidney to urinary bladder? What is the name? Ureter. Yes, the name is ureter. Okay, the next question is, proteins are used for energy giving foods, protective food, bodybuilding foods or none? So proteins are bodybuilding foods. Yes, proteins are bodybuilding foods, and energy giving foods. Which are energy giving foods? Fats and carbohydrates, and vitamins are our protective foods. So such type of questions as comes into your first unit test. So you have to prepare yourself for all this. Okay. So this is a just practice video for all of you. Hopefully all of you enjoy this video. Have a nice day to all of you.